What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset your Photoshop app back to its default view and settings. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up Photoshop and navigate to Edit, Preferences in your top navigation. In your Photoshop Preferences, head to the General section and locate the Reset Preferences on Quit button. Click on it to reset all settings to the default values. Click on OK to confirm your action. A dialog box will appear asking you if you want to delete the current settings. Click Yes to proceed and reset Photoshop back to its default settings. With the reset in place, it's time to relaunch Photoshop. Close Photoshop and then reopen it. You'll find Photoshop returned to its default view and settings. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.